Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. My name is Bryan Watson, owner of the Watson Housekeeping Group, an Airbnb residential and commercial cleaning company located in Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., and Northern Virginia. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about when you should take laundry off-site versus doing it at the property. Let's get into it. All right, so as an Airbnb cleaner, probably about 7 or 8 times out of 10, you're going to be asked to do laundry. Most hosts will want it done on site because that does save them money, and you're already at the property, and to them it's easier for them to be able to track it. But when you're doing laundry, you got to think about your time. So say for example, if you're doing a 1-bedroom 1-bath apartment, that should take you anywhere from 1 to 2 hours to turn over. And if you have a ton of laundry that takes more than 2 hours, now you're just sitting around at the property wasting time. And as a cleaner, you can't afford to do that, especially when you have multiple jobs throughout the day. One of the things that I recommend when you first do your walkthrough at a property is check out the washer and dryer on site. See if it has quick wash settings. Also see how much laundry can fit into each load, especially the dryer, because a small dryer takes forever to dry. If you have like heavy blankets or a lot of sheets, that can take forever, take over the 2 hour period, and you can't be sitting there for over 2 hours waiting on laundry to dry. So make sure you check that out first, and then propose that when you are giving your quote that, hey, I checked out the washer and dryer, I see that they do have these quick wash settings. However, because the washer and dryer are so small, it's going to take a little bit longer than the anticipated amount of time to turn over this property to wash the laundry. And unfortunately, we can't sit around waiting for laundry. So what we can do is we can take the laundry with us, take it off site, and then bring it back for each turnover. So you want to go out, you want to get some laundry bags, get some detergent, some bleach, what is it? I can't remember the name of it. It's kind of like Shout, like a stain remover. Get some spray like that, and then bag up the laundry after every turnover. Take it to a laundry facility off-site. Do not wash that stuff at your house. Now you're probably wondering, okay, well, I'm taking it off-site. Who pays for off-site laundry? So when you take it off-site to the laundromat, you should pay for the laundry to get done. However, you should let the host or property management company know that, okay, I'm going to pay for the laundry while it's there. However, this is my fee for doing off-site laundry. So for example, we charge by the load. So if it takes us 2-3 loads to do off-site, we're going to charge you per load, and that's washing and drying. So it's included. One load includes washing and drying. Just want to make sure that's clear. Charge them for washing and then charge them again for drying. One load is washing and drying. Also, if you do agree to do laundry on site and then you later find out that it's not efficient for you to do laundry on site, don't be afraid to have those conversations with those and let them know, hey, the wash machine is doing well, but the dryer, it takes a little bit longer to dry everything. So I think it might be best for us to take the laundry off site. You just got to remind the host, that, saying you're providing this service, it's a convenience for them. They don't have to worry about laundry or anything like that. They don't have to worry about laundry being left in the dryer to dry. You do have some hosts that are okay with that. If they're okay with that, then do that. But if you have a host that doesn't want to leave laundry in the dryer, I would highly recommend just bringing up the conversation to them and letting them know that, hey, we need to take it off site. This is what it's going to be. I estimate it'll take X amount of loads, just don't be afraid to have a conversation. So I hope you found this video very helpful. Hopefully now you know when and when you should not take laundry off site. If you really like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you again on another video.